Look, on the outlet it says 296. The radiation is 296. Then I'm gonna try blowing with the Terahertz. Let me see this one. This one is zero, nothing. There's no radiation. No radiation emitting. So let me check again. Again, the flip here. So you see there's a radiation, right? But in the output, in here, you can see zero, no radiation. How could that be? Wow, it's really amazing. Here, just one more time. That's one, right? Zero. And then when I put it in the outlet, right away there's radiation, emitting radiation. And in here, see that one? Nothing, zero. So that really proves that the Terahertz has no radiation. So just to